I've been in the business 13 years, and this is still my favorite truck. This is a 2025 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss with the Z71 package. One of my favorite things about this truck, it has the Ranchero shocks, as you can see with the red. It also comes with the factory 2-inch lift, so you do not have to lift this truck on your own. With the Z71 package, you get these nice red tow hooks to pull stuff out, along with the skid plate that's underneath, so if you're in the farm or in the field or on the gravel, you won't get stuff getting up in your motor there because you have that skid plate. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite truck? I know this is my favorite truck. It has been for a long time, but let me know what yours is. For more content like this, follow Bill K Automotive.